This is my HP PD19 power supply I use as a charger for programming vehicles. I had a question about how I attach the wires to the circuit board, and the way I accomplished that was with these open barrel terminals. I crimped these to the wire, tinned, actually cut them back a bit, and then tinned this part with solder, and then tinned the circuit board with solder, and then just melted them together. You can kind of see that it's covered in Kapton tape, but you can kind of see that right there. I used a 100 amp shunt to measure the current for this display. This is 4 gauge wire, and yeah, just some Kapton tape to cover it, make sure it didn't short. The insides where the resistors were changed also has some Kapton tape over it so it doesn't short to the case. Yeah, so that is a great power supply for charging vehicles at a certain voltage. I have it set to 13.6, and it's great for programming. Keeps the voltage stable, and I've seen it hit up to 90 amps momentarily. Can easily do 20, 40. I've seen it do 50 amps consistently pretty well. It only drops about 0.5 volts at 60 amps, so it's a pretty good charger.